Fort Collins, Colorado, about 60 minutes from Denver, and here at the home of Colorado State University. Now, I'm here to check out a joint that's got a lot of character. Let's see. This team of four worked together in one restaurant, and then they took off to open their own joint that they like to call your neighborhood eatery. If you're looking for a good time, this is your place. This is Restaurant 415.
2 pork chops up.
It's eclectic, it's different, it's vibrant, it's fresh.
And the gimme sandwich.
The food is phenomenal. The drinks are great.
Black IPA.
A lot of it's organic. A lot of it's grown around here.
Brussels sprouts.
And it's the people that really make this restaurant so amazing.
The four cats behind this joint, Andre Mouton and his daughter Amelia, along with their former co-workers, Seth Baker and Sean Olander, banded together to become co-owners here in 2012. This looks like a made-for-TV movie, all right? She's the chef, he's the gangster, and he's the college boy, and Dad pays for it all.
The cast of characters that work here are always just thinking outside the box.
Woodland pizza.
Their entire pizza list is just full of creative options.
Americano del Sur.
Garbanzo beans on a pizza?
This is the first time I've ever had pizza with tomatillos.
What are we gonna make?
The Americano del Sur. We're starting with our pizza dough, fresh yeast,
A little sugar for it to chew on.
olive oil,
Okay, so the yeast and the sugar coming together.
kosher salt, organic local flour, water,
So we'll let this go for what, about 15 minutes?
10. So our dough is all ready.
Now we take out the captain. Hook.
Maybe. So I hear you're a pro at weighing things out.
Oh, yeah. Tell me what we're going for.
6.4.
6.4? 6'4". 6'6"?
Not bad. You're hired.
Okay, so now we're gonna make this pie.
We're gonna start with olive oil and fresh garlic. Oh, that's a lot.
Raw tomatillos.
Yeah.
Okay, this is different.
Garbanzo beans chopped up.
I've made a lot of strange pizzas. This might take the cake.
A little bit of cumin seed, cheddar cheese,
Okay?
fresh jalapenos.
Was it a dare to make this?
No.
And then we go, 8 minutes.
Yeah. Fresh cilantro to finish it off, and that'll be it.
Never in a million years would I have thought of taking a tomatillo, slicing it thin like that, and letting it cook off in 8 minutes. I love the bite of the tomatillo. The acidity, the freshness, it's still a little bit of crunch. Jalapeno's great. The garlic's not overwhelming. Meatiness of the garbanzo, I'm telling you, that's a spot-on pizza.
The Americano del Sur.
Just the right amount of classic pizza flavor with a twist.
Off the hook. Off the hook.